Okay guys, I'm going to go to Ask Scruff. It's quite simple. It's on one of the journals that I use. Yes, I still use this one. Let me just pull in the question. So it's for Danny. Salute to you, my son. Quick question. Don't know if you're still familiar with the old school journal. Yep, I still use it. But I want to know how you go to add funds rather than take funds. It's not as difficult as it seems. So just flick this back over. And, well, just to give you a quick summary. So if you put your starting balance in of, say it's 100 quid or whatever. And you're looking here. So what you've essentially got, we'll just take these little examples out so that it's completely blank. You would have your date, put the current balance in, which is 100 quid. How much you're going to invest each day. Now, you could do it per trade, but I kind of round it up as an investment on a day. But so let's just say you're doing 5% on the day. That gives you each investment that you go to market 5 quid. Now, if you put your bid in and you say you're on 10p, well, that automatically tells you if you use all of your investment in one go, it's going to be 50 pips, which will be 5 quid. All right, so that bit should be relatively simple. Let's just say you've done really well and you've done your fiver and you're happy. Well, if you're going to take your wage goes one of two ways. It's either going to cost you for the wage or you're going to increase the wage. So if you're going to take money out for yourself, well, then it's a fiver, isn't it? And it would take the balance back to 100 because you've withdrawn your profit. And it's also telling you, well, you've taken a fiver out, okay? But let's just say you were thinking about this and you didn't rightly know what to do, okay? And you decide, well, I'm not going to take a wage. I actually have to pay into this. Well, if you go -5 there, now what it's telling you is you've actually added 5 quid to the pot. So not only have you made a fiver, you've paid fiver out of your pocket. That's why it's minus, because it's cost you money. And then it shows up there that your balance has gone up to 110, and it's now saying you're down on your wage because you've paid a fiver in. It's just kind of the way it works. Now, tomorrow, just for argument's sake, say you do another day. Well, you're starting with 110. You're still doing your 5%. But now, look, it's increased your productivity. So if you do 10p again, just keep your position size the same. You've now got a bigger buffer to play with. You made another fiver and you now withdrew the fiver. You're back to square one. All right. So it's constantly trying to keep you up to speed of whether your wage is ahead of the game or you've been funding it and you're behind the game. That's the idea behind that. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.